Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this cute design inspired by Apeach from Kakao Friends. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Make the shape of a peach at your cuticle with a light pink polish. Once the polish is dry, add 2 darker pink ovals for the cheeks. Use black polish to make 3 curved lines, a smaller one between the cheeks for the mouth and then 2 larger ones above the cheeks for the eyes. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the second version, start with the same peach shape and use black to make the outlines of 2 eyes. You want the eyes to be kind of semicircular. Keep using black to make a thick curved line for the mouth. Fill the eyes and the mouth in with white, making sure to leave a black outline around all of them. Add pupils with black and then add 2 small dark pink ovals for the cheeks. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!